This is one of the most important hack, guys. Click on to add profile section, then click on to intro. You will find something called as looking for job opportunities. Click on this add button. So basically what you can do is the job title. For example, I am looking for something called as sales manager role. Just add that skill, which particular area, Bangalore, full time. And this is important. Who can see this particular thing if you're open or not? I would recommend to keep it as all LinkedIn members. You just have to add to this profile, and what happens is you can see there is a small box popping up right below your headline, and you can see that, right? This is the most important tip in terms of looking for job opportunities, guys.